Thutha wa gutabania CIIKARO cia mbere cia mbunge cia gutuithania, ndũgamano ya nũ ũgũtuĩka mũtongoria wa arĩa aingĩ na arĩa anini thĩinĩ wa mbunge mũthenya wa ira.
The legal provisions are clear. You must have 24,000 members, at least 1,000 from majority of our counties, which are 24.
Riu muthenya wa umuthi mathaini ma kiroko niguo ambunge maingirire mbunge-ini ya bururi na kuria speaker Moses Wetangula atongoririe na mahoya niguo gutabania Ndereti ya Ndumiriri ya President William Ruto iria aririe muthenya wa gatano kiumia kihituku ihinda-ini ria kuhingura mbunge eno.
By the grace of God, it is my pleasure to address this inaugural session of the 13th Parliament following the August 9th general elections. It is important to note that we have made very positive progress. This Parliament has recorded the highest number of re-elected members of Parliament.
Omubunge agicokeria muingi wa gicigo kiria ratongoria ngatho ni undu wa kumuthura ithurano iria tweriga gutiriha na thutha-ini gucoka kuingira Ndereti-ini.
Let me begin by just saying thanks to my people of Mumias East constituency for giving me this opportunity. More so to the women of Mumias, you trusted me. You said that you'll give me your votes without giving you anything. So I'll serve you in full capacity.
Let me take this earliest time to thank, appreciate, and acknowledge people of Mwingi West for re-electing me second time to represent them in the August House.
Madam Speaker, let me also take this opportunity to say thanks to my people from Clifford South. It's one constituency which normally does not elect an MP twice since time in history. But they found value in elect me for the second time. I really appreciate them so much.
Maundu maria mari thiini wa ndumiriri ya president ya nuthu ithaa nio ambunge aingi maratugiria makiuga ona thengia wa ndumiriri no kunyiha ina uritu undu umwe na maundu maingi maria marakuruhania a Kenya na njira nene na ni makumateithia.
You know, Weso Fund, Youth Enterprise Fund, all those that they come into one fund that can be useful to our people.
Mubunge wa Malava Moses Malulu agitetera kigina kia Hustler Fund na kuga kigina giki gitibatie kiheo makurufu no kiheo mundu kiumbe agitugiria president ni undu wa guka na kigina giki na kiria gikuguna arimi anini.
I would argue that when it comes to the Hustler Fund and together they merge with Weso Fund, we individualize these funds so that we are talking of individuals who take these funds and they become responsible by themselves. And I want to thank the President because of his commitment to the hustlers.
Marihi ma kuhuthira thitima guku bururi-ini makoretwo makiambatira mahinda kwa mahinda undu uria a Kenya mahinyiriirio guku mubunge wa Mumias ya irathiro Peter Kalerwa agikindira murugamo wake na kuga president ni ekire wega ni kuhutia uhoro uyu.
When the president talks about the issue of the electricity, I support that move very 100% because you realize that the cost of doing business in this country is very high. And it's very important that right now we must legislate on how we can reduce the cost of electricity by allowing other consumers so that it should not be only the Kenyan to provide electricity in this nation.
Ona gukire uguo ni macokeire president ngatho ni undu wa kwamura ndundu ya maminista aingi ao makiuma thiini wa mbunge ya bururi na kiria maugite maminista acio amure ni moe maundu maria a Kenya maramathumbura.
Madam Speaker, I want to applaud the President for choosing most of the cabinet from here. The last government collapsed because of the so-called technocrats, CSS, who did not have the feel of the people who put them into government. They were so rigid in terms of their operations, but I want to thank the President for choosing persons who have tested politics, who know what politics is all about, persons who will open their doors to the sitting MPs to access them for the sake of the persons who have actually sent them to Parliament.
CIIKARO ici itanyitwo gucokereria muthenya wa rucio niguo gutwarithia na mbere Ndereti ya ni amabatie kuyukia giturwa kia mutongoria wa aria aingi na aria nini thiini wa mbunge. Handu-ini ha ceceni ya Wega TV kuma CIIKARO-ini cia mbunge ya bururi njitagwo Jackson Mwaniki.